Snowmageddon 2026. Let's see what it is, YouTube. Well, Topper was right. We got some ice here. Right now it's falling straight ice. You hit my glove? Straight ice. So let me see what I can do with this. I'll cook it back on in a minute. Okay, YouTube, part 2. I didn't know all this was gonna turn into ice after I did this whole driveway. But it's not too bad. I got salt over top of it. But I'm just walking, film some content. No matter where you live in the no matter where you live in the United States, you're gonna have issues. And the issue in the DMV is this stuff. This is slippery. This done turned into straight ice. Now YouTube, if I slip and fall, don't be laughing in the content, in the comment section, please. But if you need to, it's all good. But as you can see, we are pretty much locked in. Oh, my man put a cover over his truck, but that ain't gonna help him. But look at this, YouTube. I'm just gonna walk and just show you how this big snowstorm turned out. You can see it all, the snow on the houses. Folks, when you don't do your driveways, this stuff here is rock hard. Right now, I think it's 18 degrees out here. But for content's sake, I just wanted to record something for my channel. This is a speed bump. You can barely see it. You come through here with a vehicle that sit low, that bump there gonna take your whole spoil off on the front of your car. But yeah, in comment section, y'all let me know where y'all live at. I am in the DMV. We got a guy that's coming through with a plow. The other guy had a bobcat. Oh, we got a guy with a snowblower. But because this snow has turned to ice, he's not even blowing anything. He's stuck. He ain't gonna be able to get it up. But this is the end result of letting it sit too long. In a situation like this, you have to shovel a little bit at a... Okay, YouTube, this is something I want to... Oh, look at the plane, flying pretty low. This is something I wanted to show you guys. Look at this Ferrari, covered in snow. Now, you hear on YouTube about how people be flossing or acting like they're rich. A Ferrari has a lot of plastic, a lot of parts that you cannot easily get in the US. That vehicle's supposed to be in a garage, a heated and cooled garage. But when you're young and you don't know these things, that Ferrari is going to have issues once the snow melts, because that snow going to turn to water. That water going to ruin a lot of the parts on that vehicle by being out here in these extreme temperatures. Ferraris are not meant to be out in the elements like that. But let me get off that topic. Yeah, we are in the DMV, and this is the aftermath of the snow and ice storm. Oh man. The temperature is not going to rise until the next week. So the next couple of days, we're going to be freezing. And all of this snow is just going to turn to blocks of ice. But yeah, YouTube, I just wanted to make a part 2.